Hello, I'm Chris at DCD, and today we're going to unbox the Eagle Lasher. The Eagle Lasher is one of 3 lashers that we offer here at DCD. It's in terms of bundle size, it's the smallest of the 3. The bundle size recommended is up to 2 1/4 or up to 2 inch for a single cable. So the 2 1/4 dimension is actually larger, despite being the smallest lasher, it's larger than the competition for that size of lasher. The lasher weighs in at 24 pounds, so it's also 30% lighter than similar lasher in the market. The Eagle Lasher was originally designed for a CATV installation, for fiber optic installation in fiber to the home applications, but it could do so much more. When you receive the Eagle Lasher, it's going to come in a case like this. So it'll come in a sturdy Pelican case that's waterproof and dustproof. Unlatches from the side and from the front. And inside you're going to find foam padding on top, custom foam for the unit to protect from damage. Comes with a tow rope, comes with a manual. The manual will include QR codes that link to videos for operation and for maintenance. The Eagle Lasher itself will go over the different features. So starting from the front, the Eagle Lasher has a bumper plate, and that's designed to push your lashing clips out of the way as you pull forward. At the front, you've got your front roller. The cable bundle enters here. Opening that front roller is going to lock the unit from rotation. Closing that roller is going to allow it to rotate. And inside, you've got your strand roller. So it's a rubber tire that rides on the strand, rotates only in one direction. So it's going to prevent rotation in the other direction and prevent the unit from sliding backwards. You have your strand lock. That's designed to lock onto the strand so you don't drop your unit. And if you're doing overlashing, you can rotate that out of the way and place it right into that slot to give you lots of clearance for overlashing. And you've got an aluminum brush guard. You have your magazine style doors. So this unit's already installed with lashing wire. When you order the Eagle Lasher, it doesn't come with lashing wire, you have to order that separately. But just for display purposes, we've got the lashing wire loaded in. The lashing wire feeds from the inner diameter of the coil and feeds through hardened steel bushings to give you lots of life. And on the outside, you have close tolerance rollers that prevent that lashing wire from getting bound up in there, and so it pays out nice and smoothly. Next, you've got your drive wheels. The drive wheels are what rotate the unit, so the lasher doesn't require strand traction, just like all of our lashers. Those drive wheels, they come with the rubber tire installed. They can be removed depending on your operation. If you're using non-metallic lashing wire, you can take those tires off if it's causing too much traction. The Eagle Lasher rotates by the drive wheels, so the lashing wire spools over the drive wheel and pulls out the back. Next, you've got your clutch handle. The clutch handle will lift those drive wheels off the rear race, which puts it into like a neutral operation. This is handy when you're using the lashing wire around a telephone pole. You can engage that clutch, take it off the strand and pull it around the telephone pole, and it'll pull that lashing wire straight out without rotating the unit. On the back of the unit, you have your horizontal and vertical rollers, which can be adjusted to bundle up tight against your bundle. And you also have a strand roller on the back to support the unit. At the back of the unit, you've also got a rear gate that will swing open so you can install your cable. That rear gate allows for single lashing without a gearbox. So that drive tire will ride completely around the unit and there's no gearbox required, which reduces a lot of the weight.